Hey guys, W0KNI here. Today I'm doing Parks on the Air at Fort Stevens State Park in Oregon. I'm at Kilo 2829 today. I'm going to try to get on the air. We're going to start out at 14256 and see who I can get a hold of. Fort Stevens State Park is one of the largest parks in the state of Oregon. Beautiful park, huge campgrounds, tons of things to see. You've got amazing hiking trails all the way down to the beach. It's a lot of fun, great things to see. Stick around and I'll show you some highlights of things that we saw out on our hike. I'm going to jump on the POTA app and spot myself.
Whiskey 0, Mike Oscar, Tango.
Whiskey 0, Mike Oscar, Tango.
Roger, you're 5555 into southern Arizona.
Roger, I copy 55 into southern Arizona. You are 5858 into Kilo 2829. QSL?
Yeah, Roger. Thanks for activating. Have fun.
Yeah, you have a great day. Thanks for the comeback. Yay. Okay, let's keep them rolling in.
Alpha India 5 Papa.
Alpha India 5 Papa. You were a 59. QSL?
Guys, you're 5'9". You're 5'9" in Colorado. 5'9" Colorado. Have fun.
Copy 59 in Colorado. Thank you. Thanks for the comeback. You have a great day. Whiskey 0 Kilo November India for Parks on the Air.
Kilo Charlie 9, Uniform Sierra Whiskey.
Kilo Charlie 9. Come back with your call sign.
Kilo Charlie 9, Uniform Sierra Whiskey.
I copy Kilo Charlie 9 Uniform Sierra Whiskey. You were a 5858 in Oregon today.
QSL on the 5'8". You are also 5'8" here at Central Indiana. 7'3".
Awesome. Very good. Have a great day.
Whiskey 1, Oscar Whiskey.
Station Whiskey 1. Come again.
Whiskey 1, Oscar Whiskey.
Whiskey 1 0 or Whiskey 1 Oscar Whiskey.
Roger, 57 in Massachusetts.
I copy 57. You're also a 57 today in Oregon. Kilo 2829. Thanks for the comeback.
I had a station in the Azores calling you. There was a station in the Azores calling you before.
Okay, I'll have a listen for him. He was pretty weak, unfortunately.
Okay, thank you. 73.
Awesome. Any station for W0KNI. Parks on the Air, Parks on the Air. Right there. Got some horns on that one.
November Lima 7 Victor.
November Lima 7 Victor. I heard November Lima 7 Victor.
Roger, Steve, November Lima 7 Victoria, 5-1, 51 Alaska.
5-1 out of Alaska. I think we've talked before. You're on the air a lot. Hey, I appreciate the comeback. You have a great day.
7-3s, have fun there.
Any station for W0KNI, Whiskey 0 Kilo November India, Parks on the Air. Last station, you're really weak out there. If you go nice and slow, phonetically, please. One more time for me. Okay, I've got the 0 Echo Quebec Hotel.
Kilo Bravo 0 Echo Quebec Hotel.
How about Kilo Bravo 0 Echo Quebec Hotel?
Roger. You're 515 into North Dakota.
I copy 55 from North Dakota. Awesome. You are about a 4-5, I guess. I give you a 4-5 into Oregon. Pretty weak, I'm at Kilo 2829. I appreciate the comeback and the patience. Have a great day. This is W0KNI, Whiskey 0 Kilo November India. Parks on the air, parks on the air. Whew. Okay, that's 6.
This is Whiskey 0 Kilo November
6 so far, and I'm about 5 minutes.
Kilo 0 Kilo Whiskey Hotel.
Kilo 0 Kilo Whiskey Hotel. You are a nice 5-9 today in Oregon. Park Kilo 2829 QSL.
QSL, I've got you a 5 and 5 on the peaks into Colorado, but you're dipping out on that on some QSB. Otherwise, pretty good.
Ah, same here, same here. Well, thanks for the comeback. I appreciate it. Hope the weather's good for you out there. Have a great day.
I lost you there. Anyway, I did copy the 5 and 9. Did you get the 5 and 5 QSL?
Yeah, QSL 5 and 5 into Colorado. I appreciate that.
Yeah, I think I lost you, but I got it all. Thank you for the activation and good luck.
Hey, thank you. Have a great day. Enjoy your Sunday. This is W0KNI for Parks on the Air, Parks on the Air. All right, bumping up to 257. Is this frequency in use? Is this frequency in use?
Kilo India 7, Romeo Hotel Juliet.
Do I hear a Kilo 7 Romeo Hotel Juliet?
Kilo India 7, Romeo Hotel Juliet.
Kilo India 7 Romeo Hotel Juliet. You were a 5-8 today.
QSL, you're a 5-4 in Arizona.
I copy 5-4 into Arizona. I'm at Park Kilo 2829. I appreciate the comeback.
QSL, thanks for the park. 73.
November 8, India.
Last station, India.
Yes, this is November 8, Norway 8, India. Over.
I copy November 8, India. Roger. You are about a 5-5 into Oregon today, QSL.
Also 5555 in West Virginia. Thank you.
Yeah, absolutely. I copy 5-5 into West Virginia. Have a great day.
Whiskey 6, Old Guys Rule, portable, QRP.
QRP station, try again.
Yes, this is QRP station, Whiskey 6, Oscar Golf Romeo in Huntington Beach, California.
I copy QRP mobile, Whiskey 6, Oscar Golf Romeo.
Affirmative. You're coming in at a 5 and 7 in Huntington Beach, California, DM03.
I copy M03, and I'll give you a 5-5. You're kind of up and down, but for QRP, that would be expected. Hey, I appreciate you being patient out there and coming back to me, and good luck.
Thank you very much. Can I get your call sign one more time?
My call is Whiskey 0 Kilo November India. I'm at Park Kilo 2829. Whiskey 0 Kilo November India at Park Kilo 2829.
Roger. Have a great day and good hunting. This is Whiskey 6, Old Guys Rule, clear.
Great call sign, 73. This is W0KNI for Parks on the Air, Parks on the Air. Okay, I'm at 10. Yay.
W0KNI,
Come on.
waiting for your call.
All right, a couple more.
CQ.
Come on. All right, I think it's time to go hunting. Park to park.
Park to park, go ahead, over.
Roger, this is Whiskey 0 Kilo November India. Whiskey 0 Kilo November India. Calling from Park Kilo 2829, QSL. Call sign is Whiskey 0 Kilo November India. Once again, Whiskey 0 Kilo November India. I'm at Park Kilo 2829 Kilo 2829. Coffee's getting cold. Just went dead all of a sudden. At least I got a little bit of sunshine.
Kilo November 6, Romeo, Kilo, Quebec.
I copy Kilo November 6, Romeo, Kilo, Quebec. Yeah, you're fading, but I copied a 5-5. I didn't get the state. QSL? Okay, well, I copied Kilo November 6, Romeo, Kilo, Quebec. And you gave me a 5-5. You are a fading 4-4. 4-4. And good luck out there. Thanks for the callback. Okay, I think we're going to shut her down. All right, guys, so I wanted to wrap things up here. About 45 minutes, we made 11 contacts. Hopefully you're going to see this video and hear yourself on the other side. It's always fun to do that. This is W0KNI. Until next time, 73.